any seats all the way to the front.
Come with us as we tour the Pearl Harbor Memorial, which is the USS Arizona Memorial in Oahu, Hawaii. Here are a couple things to keep in mind when you are booking your trip to Pearl Harbor. You can walk up and get a free ticket, but that doesn't guarantee that you're going to have a specific time. Your time could be right away that you can get on the ferry, or you may have to wait until later in the afternoon, depending on how busy they are, if it's in season or out of season. I personally recommend going online, and you can go to recreation.gov. So it's a government website and it's only $1 per person, but that way you can select the exact time for your ferry ride and know exactly when you're going to be getting on the boat. Now, when you are going, keep in mind also the time of year. Peak season for Pearl Harbor and for visiting Honolulu and Oahu, Hawaii is going to be June, July, and August. So those months are very busy. And if you're traveling in those months, I would definitely recommend getting a ticket in advance during those months. Now, this is a military base and it is run by the US Navy. So they do have some particular rules, and one of those is no bag. So I brought a super small compact bag, a crossbody that I thought would totally be fine, and it was not. They made us go put it in the car, or we could have paid for a locker instead. But you want to make sure that you're bringing no bags at all. Just bring your wallet, your phone, and that's all you need. And leave everything else in the car or the hotel room. Also keep in mind that this is a memorial, so you want to make sure that when you are on property that you are dressed appropriately. They don't allow any bathing suits, and you also want to keep the somber mindset and remember that this is a place of remembrance of people. So keep that in mind as you are touring, and just keep your voices low and respectful at all times. When you arrive, there is different places that you can walk around, both inside and outside, to learn the history of Pearl Harbor, which is so fascinating. And then when it is your time to get on the ferry, you're going to get on the boat, and it is, like I said, run by the US Navy, but you're going to take a short ferry ride over to the USS Arizona. You'll be able to see the USS Missouri in the distance as well, which you can also tour that as well, but that is separate from this. When you're over there, you're going to see parts of the remaining of the ship of the USS Arizona. You can also see wildlife while you're out there. We saw a bunch of turtles right from the boat, which was really cool. It's really cool to be able to compare with the history of the 3D models and see exactly where things were in the ship. They have tons of history for you to learn about Pearl Harbor as well.
And they extended out about 20 feet. And then about, 3 months ago, this concrete dock over here, after being there for over 80 years, decided to cave in